The person who is sponsoring the ongoing mandamanos is President Uhuru Kenyatta, the former President of the Republic of Kenya, for reasons that we are unearthing one by one and slowly by slowly. I would want to point out a specific case. In all the ongoing rallies that we've been seeing, there has been one very constant call by all the people that are addressed those rallies. They are speaking about taxes and avoiding and evading paying taxes. One, paying taxes is a national duty. It is the national duty of every Kenyan, including myself, to pay taxes, and anybody that calls and or incites the public not to pay taxes is not a nationalist. It's not a person who is patriotic. There is a lot of patriotism in paying taxes. That is number one. Number two, it is known, it's public knowledge, and it has been reported by including the media that in the former regime, tax waivers were a daily business. The most famous being the NCBA NIC merger, in which the Kenyatta family got a waiver of 350 million not to pay taxes. The reason why the former president is so agitated, they very legally and procedurally got a license from the Communication Authority, the 5G license. So they are the brokers between the Communication Authority and all the telcos. They sold the license to one of the leading telcos for purposes of protecting businesses. We will not mention it, but your guess is as good as mine, at 4 billion. Thereafter, they called the Commissioner General Mburu of ARA, asking for a tax waiver of 1.4 billion. Fortunately for the country, unfortunately for them, it is just around the same time that the president appointed a new chairman who has now become a patriotic whistleblower, who brought to their attention that interest of trying to get a waiver of 1.4 billion. And they told them it is the duty of every Kenyan to pay taxes. I think that agitated the former president too much, and that's why he has resorted to taking people to the streets. And I asked myself, how much is really enough? How much can be enough for one person? How much can be enough for one individual? How much can be enough for one family? It was reported by the media that one family already controls over a third of the GDP of the whole country.